Okay, what if I told you that you can learn to count to 50 in Spanish, not in weeks or days, but in like the next 5 minutes? Seriously, today we are not memorizing a bunch of words, we are cracking a code. And I promise you it's actually going to be fun.
So, I know what you're thinking. 50 new words? In Spanish? That sounds like a huge mountain of flashcards, a ton of work, right? It feels pretty daunting, I get it.
But what if it's not about memorizing a huge pile of random words at all? What if it's about finding a system? Think of it like a key. Once you learn just a few simple rules, the whole thing just clicks. It unlocks itself. So here's our game plan. We're going to start with the code itself. Then we'll learn what I call the core 15. After that, we'll build out the teens and 20s. Then we get to the really good part, the golden Y rule. And we'll wrap it all up with a quick cheat sheet. Let's dive in. First up, the Spanish number code. Yeah, forget just listing numbers one by one. That's the slow way. We're going to get the logic behind them, using just a few core building blocks to pretty much construct everything else. And that brings us to the core 15. Now, I'm going to tell you, this is the hardest part of this entire thing, which, as you're about to see, is actually incredibly easy. These are the only unique words you really have to lock into your brain. All right, let's just run through them. I'll say them, you can say them back. Uno, dos, tres. You probably know those already. Then we've got cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, and ocho. See? Some of those, like tres or seis, they already feel kind of familiar, don't they? And here's the rest of our foundation. Ready? Nueve, diez, once, doce, trece, catorce, and quince. And that is it. Those 15 words are literally all the raw material you need to build every other number we're talking about today. And I'm not kidding. That was the hard part. Seriously. If you've got those 15 words down, the rest is all downhill from here. It's all just about simple, logical patterns. All right, let's move on to building the teens and 20s. Now we get to actually use our new toolkit and start putting these numbers together. This is where the code really starts to show you its secrets. Okay, here's our first rule, our first piece of the code. For the numbers 16 through 19, Spanish uses this cool little prefix you see here, DHE. It's just a squished-together version of diez, which means 10. So DHE literally just means 10 and. And this just shows the code perfectly. 16 becomes dieciséis, literally 10 and 6. 17 is diecisiete, 10 and 7. You see that pattern? It's just jamming together words you already learned. So cool. And guess what? The exact same logic works for the 20s. The word for 20 is veinte. So for numbers 21 through 29, we use the prefix veinte, which means, you guessed it, 20 and. So 21 becomes veintiuno, 20 and 1. What's 22? Veintidós. 23? Veintitrés. See, it's the same repeatable formula. You don't have to memorize any new words here at all. And now for the grand reveal. This is the master key that unlocks all the numbers from 30 and up. It is the simplest and most powerful rule of them all, and it makes counting just an absolute breeze. And there it is. This is the golden rule. From 30 onwards, every single number follows this simple pattern. You say the tens word, you add E, which just means and then you say the ones word. That's it. That's the whole formula. Now, to use this formula, we just need 3 new words. That's it, just 3. For 30, it's treinta. For 40, cuarenta. And for 50, cincuenta. And hey, notice the connection back to our core words? Tres gives you treinta. Cuatro gives you cuarenta. The code is everywhere. Let's build one together, right now. How about 34? Okay, step 1. The tens word is treinta. Step 2, add E. Step 3, the ones word is cuatro. You put it all together, treinta y cuatro, 30 and 4. It is that straightforward. Okay, you have the complete code now. You have the core 15 and the 3 simple rules. Let's put it to the test with a quick little practice round and see how fast you are now. All right, think fast. How would you say the number 47 using our golden rule? Just take a second, think of the tens word, the and the ones word. Did you get it? It's cuarenta y siete. Cuarenta for 40, y for and siete for 7. See? Once you know the formula, it just clicks into place. It's awesome.
Let's do one more, even faster this time. The number 32. You know the drill. Go.
Boom! 32. 30. 2. The pattern is so consistent, it's predictable, and it's just incredibly efficient.
So let's just recap the entire code in like 10 seconds. 1. Remember the core 15. 2. Use that DCHI prefix for 16 and 19. 3. Use the VINCD prefix for the 20s. And 4. For everything else, use that beautiful simple 10s plus E plus 1s formula. That's the entire system.
So, there you have it. We just turned a list of 50 words into a simple system with just a few rules. You didn't just memorize, you actually learned the logic. So the only question I've left for you is, now that you have the code, what's the first thing you're going to count?